Jai Srimanarayana. 26th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adha chainam nityajatam nityam va manyase mrutam तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुम् अर्हसि। Om. Do never think that there is birth and death to the Atma. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option for every one of us in 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall not think that there is birth and death to Atma. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham. Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Satyavrata leaving that fish in the ocean, that fish saying that, O Satyavrata, O Maharaja, please do not leave me alone in this ocean. There will be so many dreadful animals in this ocean and they will eat me away. So please do not do that. Then Satyavrata started thinking about those sweet words of fish and saying that Kah bhavan asman matsya rupena mohayan. He realized that this is not an ordinary fish. He is asking, who are you, my dear Swami? Naivam viryo jalacharo drishtosmabhihi shrutopi va yo bhavani yojanasatam akhna abhivyana saraha. I never have seen or heard about such powerful fish in the past. You have grown to the 100 yojanas within just one day. Nunam tvam Bhagavan Sakshat Harir Narayanaha. You may be Sakshat Sriman Narayana, Sri Hari, only to bless all the living entities, you probably have come down in this fish form. O Purushottama, దీనులకు భక్తులకు మాకు దిక్కు నీవు, నీదు లీలావతారంబు నిఖిల భూత భూతి హేతువు మృక్కెద పురుషవర్యా. O Purushottama, you are only the refuge, you are only the shelter for all of your devotees, you are the master for all of your devotees, and you are eternal protector. Namaste Purushashrestha. Such, O Purushottama, I do namaskaram to you. You are the one, in order to protect all the living entities with your great willpower, will be coming down in different forms at different times. Hey Bhagavan, I am doing namaskaram to you. Like that, Satyavrata praying that fish, thinking that it is divine fish. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 26th sloka. Adhachainam nityajatam nityam va manyase mrutam tadhapi tvam mahabaho naivam sochitumarhasi. Adhachainam nityajatam nityam va manyase mrutam tadhapi tvam mahabaho naivam sochitumarhasi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.